Hello all, this is Dr. Aisha Butalia. Today we are going to discuss about, it's a very short topic, but maybe it will be helpful to you, especially to the faculties. What we have to do is we have to create an ID at Vidwan portal. Okay, and in Vidwan portal, we are able to, add all the information about us, the personal, the expertise, the experience, the qualification, publication. And here comes the academic identity. So while creating the identity, you can create a Google Scholar identity, okay, by your email ID, and you can put your ID over here. Similarly, you can put your research ID, your Scopus ID, ORCID ID, etc. When you click on the ORCID ID and log in it, you will actually get all the access to the publications. But if it is not, then you have to done manually. So now here, when you fetch the data from the cloud over here, refresh, okay, you will get the publications here. But if suppose you're not getting, maybe due to ambiguity, or in my case, I created two IDs by two email IDs and probably it is clashing. So there are certain issues when some papers, you have to add manually. So for example, if you are on the Google Scholar page, from Google Scholar, you can get all your papers from here. Probably you can um, add articles and you will be getting all the papers by your name. You can even select manually if there is some addition or by another manual process where you can say add article manually. But today's basic topic is that whatever articles are visible over here, if it is not visible in the Vidwan portal, then probably how you can get through that. So there is a Bibtex file which is created by mainly all the papers. So you can select here. Okay, I'll show you again. This is the Google Scholar page where all your papers are imported. First, you log in as a Google Scholar by your email ID and the affiliation, and wherever it is, don't forget to put the affiliation to get the credit to the institute you're working on. But through your email IDs, whatever you had registered, the papers will come here. I had to do it manually because I use multiple email IDs probably. So you will click on the paper on the Google Scholar where all are added. First, you can add from here, as I said, add articles. And after you get all the articles, just if I select one from here, okay, click over here and you will get the import to Bibtex file. So what I've done is I've created, when I click here, I get the link. Okay, I select this and copy paste. I've created a file called k.bib. Okay, and I have opened this on the Visual Studio. And like this, I'm pasting all the Bibtex links data, okay, in this, which is getting saved in that notepad k.bib. Right? You just save it, go again to the Vidwan portal. Okay, Vidwan portal is again for all the teachers. You can log in here and you get all the details on one click. So you have to here, you have to go to the add. Before that, you just refresh it. After refreshing, you say add. Of course, you can add manually, but it takes a lot of time. That's why we are doing this shortcut. So add import Bibtex. So today's session is that instead of adding all the details manually for a publication, okay, there are the title of the paper, the author, the page number, the ISN number, all these details, the name of the conference, the affiliation. So on a simple import Bibtex, if suppose, for example, I have 50 publications, so So as I said, for example, if I've got 50 publications, on this file, notepad, we will just add all the 50 Bibtex information, and just on a single import click, I said add, then browse. Okay, I'll just import this file k.bib and say submit. At one link, all the data would be imported in the Vidwan portal, and the Vidwan portal My Profile will give all your information, as said earlier, about your personal details, your experience, your patents, your awards, everything. You just need to fill this form correctly. But mainly during publications, when there are n number of publications, adding manually becomes a problem. Okay, this is the method in today's session. I was just trying to highlight how you can import a Bibtex file. So you can see that the paper has been added here successfully. If some information is missing, you can go to the edit, and you can add the year which was missing in all these things manually. So this is how, okay, you can just add so many papers in one single go using import Bibtex. Now, one thing to highlight here, I wanted to say that if you go to the same link again, okay, for example, we click here and we click here again. Now, if you click the same link here, sometimes what happens that the paper comes up. Now see, here the Bibtex is not coming, the paper has come up because it has been imported successfully. So what you can do is that you can go here down to the scholarly list. Again, it will create a paper. Okay, you said cited by 9. Here again, you will get the citations. You see all 3 versions. Now here when you come, you will get all the 3 versions import Bibtex. Any one you can select because 3 are the 3 versions. Even if you type 3, same thing. Okay, I'll show you. Here you can see that the same article I have saved thrice. 3 versions, 1, 2, and 3. Then also, it actually gave only one paper in the Vidwan portal. There is only one paper. See, there is only one paper over here. So there, even if there were 3 versions, you can select any one, select all this content, copy paste in that k.bib file, and go to the Vidwan portal, go to add import, browse, and select the file and submit. So this is how you're going to import the publication details, okay, through simple clicks instead of getting all the details, typing all the details manually. So this was all about the importance of Vidwan portal, how to add the files, and from the scholarly links also, where you can automatically get all your papers in one instance. Thank you very much for your patience listening. I hope this session would be useful for you, especially the faculties. Have a nice day.